Good morning, friends, and welcome back. I wanted to share with you a few candles that I picked up for the fall season from Yankee Candle. I stepped in there the other day because I had a coupon and I wanted to see what they had, if they had anything new for the fall season. So, excuse me, without further ado, if I don't choke, let's get started on the candles that I purchased. They have new packaging for their candles. Instead of like the straight round candles, they have square ones, which I thought were really neat. These are the square candles that they got. These are so neat. I love them. And this one is the Harvest Walk, and it smells so beautiful. I love the way that it smells. It smells so nice. It doesn't like give you like a description on the back of these like Bath and Body Works does regarding like the scent or whatever, but this smells so nice. It's kind of got that like brown fall color to it, so that's kind of what drew me to it as well, and the fact that it's square, so it's something different from Yankee Candle, which I absolutely loved. Another thing that I really liked about the Yankee Candle, this new packaging of the Yankee Candle, is that this lid not only comes off, but as the lady told me, it sets as a base for your candle as well. So you can just sit your candle on top of the base because it's kind of got that like little lip on there, and it fits perfectly in the bottom of your candle just like that. So it sits as a little base. So that was really neat. So I really like that feature as well. These candles were buy one, get one half off. So they were $20 and you get one half off. I think they were $20. Alrighty, so I did pick up another one in the same type of packaging, just a different scent. This one is the Citrus Grove scent. This one, love it, very citrusy as well. Same thing with the lid. You can set the candle on here as your base. It looks really nice. Again, I just love this scent, and I love the fact that they are square. Just something different. I like when things change up. I love change. All right, so I got a small candle as well. This one was $5. They had all of their tiny candles on sale for $5, so I picked up this one. This one is the Pink Sands. Love this. I think I burned this one before. I think I have it sitting over there on my little table. It smells so nice. I love it. It matches so perfectly in my room. That's why I got this. So pretty. And then lastly, the last one that I picked up was just your normal size medium candle. This one was $10, I think. If you spent, you know, over $20, you got, no, if you spent over $20, you got this for $5 or something like that. Anyway, I can't remember. I don't have the receipt here to look either. But anyway, nonetheless, they had a good sale. This is the Sun-Kissed Thistle by Yankee Candle. And again, it's kind of got that fall look to it. So, and I love the way this one smells. So this will be perfect too in the house for the fall season. And that is it. That is all I got at Yankee Candle. I kept it really small because I still had some candles that I still needed to burn up. But I still wanted to get some new ones for the season. All right, so as I was checking out, she gave me a couple of coupons. This one is for a free candle. This is the Experience the Magic of Moonlight free candle. And it's Saturday, August 25th, in-store only. You could get a free candle, buy one, get one free. And then they gave me a little coupon. So that is really nice. I will definitely take advantage of that. And then this is an invite to their Magic and Moonlight Ball. Right here, and it says you can join them at the Yankee Candle retail stores August 25th. The bewitching hours from open to close. So I definitely might check into that and see what their little moonlight ball is all about. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time in Wonderland. Bye.